instructions for MindTap training you can access either from all MindTap trainings or course content for week 3, which is the training for Windows Edge and file management. There are 20 tasks, so you can see the different categories that we'll be covering. There are 20 tasks. Some of them you must watch the video. You can put closed caption on, or you can look at the transcript. At the end of the video, you'll have a question to answer. Some will not have a video and go directly to a task. And the task is over here, task instructions. So if they're ever in the way, just point and drag to move the directions out of the way. So right now the instructions are in the Rockland folder, which is this one currently open. Create a folder and use the name graphics. So go ahead and just choose new folder and type graphics and press enter. And your task is complete. This one has a video, so I'm going to skip to the next one, to another task. So for this one, they want you to rename a particular file name. Now, if you're not sure, it's in the training mode right now of apply, what you can do is select observe. Once you select observe, again, you'll have to watch a video.
Selected in File Explorer. Type Sales as the new name. Windows replaces the selected text with the text type. Press Enter. The file has a new name.
So in observe, you're just watching. You could go right to apply, but I just want to show you what happens when you go to the practice mode. Again, play. So they're telling you what to do, but they're not actually doing it. They're waiting for you. So you have to actually hover over, right click, and then hover over, rename, and actually left click.
The file name is selected in File Explorer. Type Sales as the new name.
So it's waiting for you to actually type it.
Replaces the selected text with the text type.
And then press enter.
The file has a new name.
So now we'll go directly to the apply mode. And the directions are to rename Rockland Financial. So right click, rename, sales, enter. So again, you can just try the task instruction on your own, but if you're having difficulty or do not understand what they want you to do, then you would either observe, practice, or apply. So you have your options, just so that you can either learn the task or you can try it on your own. So I just wanted to share a couple of different tasks that are slightly confusing. When it says to resize a window, it just takes a moment. Right now, the settings dialog box is open. And if you hover at the top where the title bar is, you can move it to the left or the right. When they want you to resize it, they want you to go to the edge, the border, where you see double arrows, and make it whiter on the right side. So I'm just going to go back to tasks. I did jump around a little bit, but I just wanted to share with you, while you're completing tasks, you get check marks on them. If at any time that you're not able to finish all of the tasks in the training time, do not click submit, just X out, so that the next time you come back into training, it'll pick up where you left off. Thank you.